It's train time. Alright, we gotta sketch this bitch though. TV on it when it goes by. Chilling with trains, you know?
Throw your beer at it.
Hit it with a rock.
Stop it.
Super close, super close. Asshole!
You know the weight of the beer.
Hit it with rocks. It explodes.
No, let's not do that.
Ow! This is awesome. Get the caboose! Do it now! Alright, where's our pennies at? Find the pennies. And you see? Oh shit, dude. That goes so hard. What's up with it?
I want somewhere around here.
Is it hot? Oh, dude, that's so cool.
There's no one. Look, you see where that egg skipped. See that shit?
Can you find the other one?
It's on this side.
Oh wait, everybody's leaving us. Come on, we gotta catch up.